Hi there everyone, this is the fourth video in this series on the HelpLink online system, and in this video we are going to start looking at Helpee information and functionality. We hope you enjoy this. Now, to view your own Helpee information, you can come here on the menu to Helpees and Own Helpees. Here you will then see a list of all the Helpees that you have registered to your organization. And as a first step, we are going to create a new Helpee. Here you are presented with the form to fill in with all of the fields that pertain to a Helpee. As you fill in the information, at the bottom you will see a field called Findable. This gives you the ability to specify at Helpee level whether this Helpee will be findable on the HelpLink system or not. So you can have different Helpees, some of them findable, others not. Now when you have finished entering all the information, you can click on Save. You will then see your new Helpee in the list. In order to edit your helper, you can click on his name, and then you will see the information here. But to edit it, you can go down here at the bottom and click on Edit. After you have edited it, you can click on Save. In order to enter some children for this particular Helpee, you can go here at the bottom as well and click on Children. Here there will then be a list of children. As we have not entered any, I am going to click on Create New. Again, when you have finished editing the information, you can click on Save. The same also applies for the other dependents. Here you can add other dependents as well. Another important element that you need to connect to the Helpee information are the needs. These are the needs that this particular Helpee require. So I can say the person needs clothing. I can also say that the person needs food. In this example. In this way, I can then edit my own Helpee information. If I would like to remove a Helpee from my list, I can go over here to the right and click on Delete. If I have a long list of Helpees, I can use the Find Helpee function in order to search for one of my Helpees. Here I can either enter the identification number, the first name, or the last name. Here I have now found that first Helpee that I've just entered. Now coming back to that functionality where we gave another helper organization access to my information, I am now logged in as a more senior helper, for example, a head office type of organization, and I currently have access to a different helper's Helpee information. So you will see if I go to Helpees and look for Own Helpees, I see this list of Helpees. There are 4 Helpees over here. But if I go to Other Accessible Helpees Global, I see more Helpees here. That is because I am now seeing the Helpees of my own organization, but also another organization. So again, if I look at my own Helpees, I have these guys. But if I click on Other Accessible Helpees Global, I see more. What I can also do is I can go to Other Accessible Helpees Individual. If I go there, I will then get a list of the other helpers that I have access to. So if, for instance, I want to see this helper's information only and not my own, I can go here and say show Helpees, and then I get a list of those Helpees who actually belong to the other helper organization to which I have access. So just to recap, I can go to Helpees, look at all of the Helpees that I have access to, or I can go and look at a particular helper's Helpee information. This is the end of this video. We looked at the Helpee functionality. We looked at how to see my own Helpees, how to add and edit a Helpee's information, including the children and other dependents, and then also the needs of that particular Helpee. And then we also looked at other accessible helper information and how to look at a particular helper's information from a list. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.